In this video, you'll learn how to build a notes database quickly in Notion. By following these steps, you will create a structured and organized space for your notes, making them easily accessible and manageable. Begin by navigating to the Notion website at notion.so. Ensure you have a stable internet connection, as this will facilitate a smoother experience while using the platform. Upon reaching the home page, you will see a clean interface with various options. Next, locate the templates option in the left sidebar. Click on this link and a new page will load, displaying a variety of templates available for use. This section is where you can find pre-designed layouts that will help you set up your notes database efficiently. After that, type notes database into the search bar at the top of the templates page. As you type, relevant templates will populate the screen. This allows you to quickly find the specific template that suits your needs for organizing notes. Once the search results appear, look for a template titled Highlight. Click on this option to view its details. This template is designed to help you categorize and manage your notes effectively, making it a suitable choice for your database. Then click on the Add button associated with the Highlight template. This action will prompt Notion to integrate the template into your workspace. A confirmation message may appear indicating that the template has been successfully added. Next, select the private option. This step ensures that the template is saved within your personal workspace, making it easily accessible whenever you need to create or review your notes. After this, click on See Template to open the Highlight template in a new view. This will display the layout and structure of the notes database, allowing you to familiarize yourself with its features before you start adding content. Now, click on the New Note button, which is typically located at the top of the template view. This action will create a new entry within your notes database, enabling you to begin documenting your thoughts and information. Once the new note opens, click on a blank space within the note area to start typing. This is where you can input your notes, thoughts, or ideas. Remember to utilize any formatting tools available to enhance the clarity of your notes. Next, find and click on the favorite option if you wish to mark this note for easy retrieval later. This feature allows you to prioritize important notes, making them stand out in your database. Then, select by category to organize your notes into specific groups. This categorization helps in quickly locating notes based on their respective subjects, enhancing your overall productivity. After that, click on Calendar to view your notes in a calendar format. This feature enables you to see when notes were created or scheduled, providing a timeline perspective on your entries. Finally, click on Gallery to see your notes displayed visually. This layout offers a different perspective, making it easier to browse through your notes at a glance. It is particularly useful for visual learners or those who prefer a more aesthetic approach to note-taking. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.